squeeze, and drive. Or I need you to rap and roll. Rap, squeeze, and roll.
7 days straight, non-stop. And they mastered it, you know what I'm saying, came out. That's what allowed us to loosen up our hold on them and let them do the things that we know that they can do on their own.
1, 2, 3. Why didn't you pay for this beat though?
That's me! That's what I'm talking about! There it is! Woo! There you go! There you go! Oh! Come on, 91, get low, man. Get low, baby. Come on, man.
Why didn't you pay for this beat though?
No, sir. No, sir. No, sir. No, sir. Somebody got to call that. No, sir. Hold on, they still fighting. Hold on. Take a reset this way. Fire the ball, hit the ball.
Curtis King with 2 S's, beats.com.
Y'all still hitting high.
Why didn't you pay for this beat though?
You gonna say that to me in the fourth quarter? When I need a sack, when I absolutely gotta have a turnover? I'm dead, coach. When Coach Tony need a catch or we need a run out.
Now PJ back. This Jack on, guys.
Stop! Let's go, sir. Go get him.
It work. It work.
There you go.
Curtis King with 2 S's, beats.com.
He's still going. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Did you